Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the Batman the Complete Animated Series. This comes with the Blu-ray and digital code, I believe. However, when I purchase online it says like DVD as well, but I don't think that's the case. It's also a limited edition. This version is $24,899 out of $69,048. This is everything that's supposed to be inside of the box. I think it also comes with two of the old school animated movies. I remember I really liked the Phantasm one when I was a kid. But yeah, let's open this. Oh, when I bought this, I got it from Best Buy, and it was actually on sale during the Black Friday times, and I got it for $79.99. I think originally it was going for like $100. But I think they're sold out now, so yeah. Sorry if you can hear my daughter in the background. But here are the little Funko Pops that it comes with. I'm guessing they're exclusive to this set. And then, I don't know if this is the lenticulars. Let's see. Yeah, these are all going to be lenticulars. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. There's one of them. Here's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pretty neat. Here's the case that all the Blu-rays come in. The spine of it. And then you have the back. And another spine. I remember reading that a lot of these sets were coming in damaged, and this one looks like it has some damage right here down the spine. It's kind of sucks, but I mean, I got it for a good price, so can't complain much. And then this is the book with all the discs. There's the back. Spine once again. And then I'm trying to see where the digital code's at. Don't want to give that away. Okay. Okay, so here's the inside. And I'm guessing, yeah, it's season 1. Just normal discs. Still season 1, disc 2. There's all the special features on each disc. I think it's the same artwork on all of them. Here's season 2, disc 1. So yeah, it's gonna be, I think, pretty much the same artwork on every single season as well. Bonus disc, special features, and then here's the movie, Mask of the Phantasm. And then another movie. I've never seen this one. What's this one called? Sub-Zero, Batman and Mr. Freeze. There's the end of the book. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.